Hello friends and welcome back. I hope you all are well. So let's move on to about what we are going today. So today we are going to know about the different kinds of pulses. But before knowing about the different kinds of pulses, let us know about what the pulse crop are. So the pulse crop are the legume, which is also known as the pulses. The word legume is derived from the Latin word legere, which means to gather. Pulses are important in crop rotation and mixed cropping, which are practiced by the farmer, as they help in maintaining the soil fertility. Pulses are rich in protein and they meet the major share of protein requirements of the predominantly vegetarian population of the world. Now let us know about the different kind of pulses, and the number first pulse crop that we are going to know is red gram, also known as pigeon pea and tur. Its botanical name is Cajanus indicus and was originated in Africa. The climate required is fairly moist and warm. Soil should be well drained from medium to heavy soil. For preparing the tillage, deep plowing, clod crushing and 2 to 3 times harrowing should be done. The time of sowing is from the later part of June or early July, and the methods of sowing are drilling, dibbling, that is 2 to 3 seeds per hill. Spacing should be 45 into 20 centimeter square for early varieties. For mid-late varieties, 60 into 30 centimeter square, and for late varieties, 75 into 30 centimeter square. The seed rate should be 6 to 9 kg per hectare for mixed, and for sole it should be 15 to 20 kg per hectare. Manures should be FYM, that means farmyard manure, and about 6 ton per hectare. The fertilizer should be in the ratio of 25:50:0, that is the NPK ratio at the time of sowing. After care should be done by 2 times hoeing and 2 times weeding. For the water management, 1 to 2 times irrigation should be done. At the harvesting time, early varieties will be harvested in 120 to 125 days, whereas mid-late varieties should be harvested in 130 to 170 days, and for late varieties it would take about 180 to 190 days. The yield which we will get is 10 to 12 quintal per hectare for sole, and for the mix we will get 2 to 8 quintal per hectare. The varieties of red gram are BS1, that is for the early variety. For mid variety it is Sharda and BDN 1 and 2. For the late varieties it is C11 and P.T.301. The next one is Bengal gram, also known as Harbara or Chana. Its botanical name is Cicer arietinum. Its origin is Afghanistan and Iran. The climate required is actually the winter climate, that is Rabi. The soil should be well drained from light to medium soil. For preparing the tillage, 1 time plowing and 2 times harrowing should be done. The time of sowing is the Rabi season, that is the second week of October. In case of method of sowing, drilling should be done. For the space it should be 30 centimeter. Seed rate should be 40 to 60 kg per hectare. Manure applied should be farmyard manure, and that is to 10 tons per hectare. In case of fertilizers, NPK should be applied in the ratio of 15:30:0 kg per hectare for rain fed, and for irrigated 25:50:0 kg per hectare. For aftercare, 1 to 2 times weeding should be done. In case of water management, 2 times irrigation is required. Harvesting should be done in 100 to 120 days. Yield which we will get is about 5 to 6 quintal per hectare if rain fed. If irrigated, then 10 to 12 quintal per hectare. The varieties of Bengal gram are Chafa, N59, N31, etc. The next one is the kidney beans, also known as matki. Its botanical name is Phaseolus aconitifolius. Its origin is India. Climate required is warm weather. Soil should be sandy loam to light to medium soil. For the purpose of preparing the tillage, one time plowing and two time cross harrowing should be done. The time of sowing should be the Kharif season, that is from June to July. Method of sowing is drilling. Spacing should be 30 cm or 45 into 10 cm square. Seed rate should be 15 to 18 kg per hectare for sole, and for mixed 4 to 5 kg per hectare. Manure should be 6 to 10 tons per hectare, that is farmyard manure. And for the case of fertilizer, NPK should be in the ratio of 25:50:0 kg per hectare at the time of sowing. After care should be done by one time hoeing and two times weeding. No irrigation is required. These crops will be harvested in 120 to 135 days, and the yield which we will get is 8 to 10 quintal per hectare. The varieties of kidney bean are MBS 27, Dhuli number 3, 4, 5, etc. The next one is the green gram, also known as moong. Its botanical name is Phaseolus aureus. Its origin is India. The climate required should be warm. Soil should be fertile, well drained, and heavy black soil. For preparing the tillage, one time plowing and two times harrowing should be done. The time of sowing should be Kharif season, and the method of sowing should be drilling. The spacing should be 22 to 30 cm. The seed rate should be 18 to 20 kg per hectare. The manure should be farmyard manure, and that is to 3 to 5 ton per hectare. In case of fertilizer, NPK should be in the ratio of 20 to 25:0 kg per hectare. After care should be done by 1 to 2 times hand weeding. In case of water management, irrigation should be done at 15 days interval in summer. The harvesting should be done in 60 to 70 days for early varieties, and for late varieties, the harvesting should be done in 100 to 110 days. The yield which we will get is 5 to 6 quintal per hectare, and the varieties of green gram are Jalgaon 781, TAP 7, and S8, etc. The next is black gram, also known as Udid. Its botanical name is Phaseolus mungo. It was originated in India, and the climate required is warm season. The soil should be light to medium soil. For preparing the tillage, one time plowing and two times harrowing should be done. The time of sowing should be Kharif and Rabi season. The method of sowing is drilling. The spacing should be 30 cm, and the seed rate should be 15 to 20 kg per hectare. Manure applied is farmyard manure, and that is up to 3 to 5 ton per hectare. Fertilizer, that is the NPK, should be in the ratio of 20:20 to 25:0 kg per hectare. Aftercare can be done by 2 times hand weeding. For the water management, 1 or 2 times irrigation is required. Harvesting is done in 60 to 90 days. Yield which we will get is 4 to 5 quintal per hectare. The varieties of black gram are Sindh Kheda number 1, Udid 55, and T9, etc. The next one is cowpea, also known as chavil or lobia. Its botanical name is Vigna Kataing and was originated in Central Africa. The climate required is warm weather, and the soil should be well drained, loamy to slightly heavy soil. Preparatory tillage should be done by clean and smooth seedbed. Time of sowing should be Kharif, that is June to July, and the summers, that is March to April. Method of sowing is drilling, and the spacing, in case of we are growing the grain, then 45 into 8 or 10 centimeter square. In case of fodder, then 30 centimeter. The seed rate should be 25 to 30 kg per hectare for the grains and 50 kg per hectare for the fodder. Manure applied is farmyard manure, and that is to 6 to 10 tons per hectare. Fertilizer is the NPK, that is in the ratio of 25:50 to nil kg per hectare. After care can be done by 2 times weeding and hoeing. Water management is done by 1 or 2 times irrigation. Harvesting is done in 90 to 120 days for the grains and 40 to 45 days for the fodder. The yield which we will get is 12 to 15 quintal per hectare, and the varieties of cowpea are C152, V16, RC19 and many more. The next one is soybean. Its botanical name is Glycine max and was originated in Asia. Climate is temperate and they grow well in subtropical and tropical region. The soil should be light to sandy loam. For preparing the tillage, one time ploughing and one time harrowing is required. The time of sowing is Kharif and the summer season. For the method of sowing, drilling can be done. Spacing should be 30 into 10 centimeter square or 45 into 22.5 centimeter square. Seed rate should be 45 to 60 kg per hectare, and in case of manure it is the FYM, and that is to 8 to 10 tons per hectare. Fertilizer is NPK, which is in the ratio of 25:50 to nil kg per hectare. For aftercare, 2 time hoeing and 1 time weeding can be done. Water management is done by 2 times irrigation. Harvesting for the early varieties, it is the 100 days and 165 days for the late varieties. Yield which we will receive is 10 to 15 quintal per hectare for sole, and for the mixture 3 to 4 quintal per hectare. Varieties are Bragg, Punjab 1, Monita and many more. The last one for the today is pea, which is also known as Vatna. Its botanical name is Pisum sativum and was originated in South Europe. The climate required is cool season, that is Rabi 13 to 18 degrees Celsius. The soil should be medium to heavy. For preparing the tillage, 1 time ploughing and 2 time harrowing is required, and the time of sowing is the Rabi season, that is from 15th October. Method of sowing is drilling or dribbling. Spacing between 2 crops should be 20 to 30 centimeter apart. Seed rate should be 25 to 30 kg per hectare in case of drilling and 40 kg per hectare in case of dibbling. Manure applied is farmyard manure, and that is to 3 to 5 tons per hectare. The fertilizer applied is the NPK, and that is in the ratio of 20 to 25 is to 50 kg per hectare if rain fed, and 50:50 kg per hectare if irrigated. Aftercare can be done by 2 times hand weeding. 2 or 3 times irrigation is required. The harvesting is done in 100 days for the early varieties and 120 to 125 days for the late variety. The yield which we will get is 6 to 7 quintal per hectare if rain fed and 10 to 15 quintal per hectare if irrigated. Varieties of PR, Bonvilla, Early Giant, Kheda, and many more. Finally, this is the end of our video and I hope you liked it. If you like my video and find this video helpful, then please click on the like button and share this video with everyone. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for receiving the notification for our upcoming videos. For the next time, it is going to be on the oilseed crops, so don't miss that video. And till the next time we meet, bye bye and have a nice day.